Kerala, Mumbai. Okay, rest of the folks. जल्दी जल्दी टाइप करो यार, स्पीड अप. एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन, आई वांट टू नो यू गाइस बेटर. All right, Nashik, excellent, excellent, good stuff. I want to remember some names as well so that when you come back to my YouTube live, Ashish is from Bombay, Ritika is from Bombay. All right, great, great, great. ठीक है भाई, शुरू कर रहे हैं सेशन. Let's begin. And any specific questions you have, you can also ask me. We'll do a quick panel discussions and let me just check with George sir. If George sir can hear us right now, I'll just go and check with him. Hi George sir, can you hear us quickly? If you can hear us, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
All right, great. George sir, if you can switch on your cam as well, that'll be great help.
Sure.
Okay, guys, please welcome George sir. He is an assistant dean of School of Management at BML University, and we'll have a lot of things. He's been managing like 2,000 plus students every year, and he's got 26 people. Right, फटाफट welcome type करो chat के अंदर, and let's get the party started. George sir, you have been with students throughout. You've been the assistant dean of the business school, BML University School of Management and Commerce as well. So, what is your first of all one tip to all these beautiful kids? You see every year a lot of people go into engineering stream, BCom stream, BMS stream. Before we get into the session, I've got some questions for you. What is your one tip which they should remember even immediately after the 12th standard?
Okay, I think, hi, welcome everybody for the session arranged by Cat King. Thanks all for having me here. One tip, please don't get perturbed by the fact that there's no exams this year, what kind of marks I'll get. Pandemic is here to stay. Just think forward, see what's your area of interest, and just move on with your life. That's very important.
That's great. So what's your area interest? But what do you guys want to do in the chat? What do you guys want to do? You want to get into the commerce? Let's not talk about 5 years from now, 3 years from now. Immediately next year, you want to get into an IIT, you want to get into a top business school, or you want to get your BCom completed. What's your immediate goal? फटाफट टाइप करो. एक साल के अंदर आप लोग क्या क्या देखना चाहते हो? जल्दी in the chat. Quick. SSCBS, okay, great. Rest of the folks, फटाफट keep typing down. It's going to be great help. जल्दी. Okay, you want to get to IIT, okay. BMS, excellent. BCom, great. You guys are sorted in your head. अगर confused हो क्या करना है BMS, BCom, वो भी आप बता सकते हो. I can help you in making a decision. BMS, BCom, BBA. All right, great. ठीक है. Let's begin. So, George sir, number one question which I want to ask you is how to choose a career, which career stream fits in. A lot of people get confused in life. Just type in if you're confused, guys, that BMS करना है, BCom करना है, engineering करना है, कौन सा field करना है. If you're confused, you guys can talk it. Till the time we'll talk to our dean sir and we'll ask in details about the same. George sir, number one, how to choose which career stream is fit for you?
Well, I would say that first and foremost is listen to your heart. Think where you want to be. I normally used to say to all students about 2 years back that close your eyes and just see where you are, where you want to be, what you want to do for the next 40 years of your life. Because you guys would be 16, 17, 18 or in 11th. It's all about the next 40 years, right? But doesn't mean that in today's era that what you choose right now, it can't change. Things have been very different. Someone who gets into an IIT or gets into engineering, is doing a profile which is IT, suddenly feels that I want to get into sales. That is something which can easily happen during this time. Things have changed now. People in HR get into marketing, get into finance. So that's how it has been. Second thing, when you were deciding what to do is to decide the fact that do you want that your graduation degree should be a terminal degree? And when I say terminal degree, it means do you want to study further post your graduation, or you want that you finish your graduation and start working? A lot of programs which you do may require a PG after that because the career progression may not be very high, but some programs may not require a PG at all. Say, for example, engineering may not require a PG, law does not require a PG because it's a degree in itself. I've seen people who are passing out from IIT or NITs and have not done an MBA at all and worked for 40 years and they've done pretty well in life. So these are the two things I would want you to keep in mind. One is what kind of degree, and the second would be what's your area of interest.
Excellent. So ये बहुत अमेजिंग पॉइंट है यार. एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट जानना बहुत जरूरी है. ट्रस्ट मी, नाउ डेज यू गाइस हैव सीन दैट इवन इफ यू कंफ्यूज द पीपल डूइंग बीकॉम एंड दे गोइंग टू स्टैंड अप बीइंग स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियंस, दे आर लाइक पीपल हु डन इंजीनियरिंग एंड दे आर गोइंग टू डिफरेंट एरियाज ऑल टुगेदर. दैट यू कैन डेफिनेटली डू लेटर ऑन इन लाइफ. बट ट्रस्ट मी, सर यूज्ड टू से लाइक व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू फॉर द नेक्स्ट 40 years of life, but this is the first degree. How many of you believe that सिर्फ BBA is nothing or सिर्फ engineering is nothing? Just type in agree in your chat. How many believe like only engineering or only BCom BMS से इंडिया में कुछ होने वाला है नहीं? Just type in agree on the chat. Agree. Okay, all of you guys. ठीक है. Lovely. So you guys know that it's just a stepping stone in the whole thing. So इसलिए when you know that you have to do one more thing later on, so भाई अपनी मर्जी का करो, अपना जो अच्छे पीएच कर रहे हैं वो करो. मैं एक और टिप ऐड करना चाहूँगा. वेदर यू डूइंग इंजीनियरिंग बीकॉम और BMS, प्लीज़ चेक सबसे बढ़िया पीयर्स कहाँ हैं. तुम्हारी क्लास के जो होशियार बच्चे हैं ना, वो भी क्या ले रहे हैं वो देख लेना. सिर्फ एक से भीड़ में मत चल जाना. होशियार बच्चा क्या ले रहा है उसके साथ भी रहने का अपने को. अगर होशियार बच्चे बीकॉम लेते हैं या BMS लेते हैं, थिंक मोर अबाउट द सेम कि यार बाकी बच्चे कहाँ ले रहे हैं. लाइफ इज़ टू शॉर्ट टू बी विद लूजर्स इन योर लाइफ. यू हैव टू बी विद स्मार्ट किड्स. तुम्हारे कॉलेज के, तुम्हारे आसपास के स्कूल के, कॉलेज के जहाँ पे भी आप पढ़ रहे हो, वेयर गुड किड्स आर गोइंग, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर श्योर. जैसे बॉम्बे के अंदर देयर इज अ डिग्री कॉल्ड BMS डिग्री. सो BMS डिग्री इज रियली अमेजिंग. Yeah, BMS degree is really amazing in Bombay, but North वालों को पता ही नहीं होता कि there is a degree called as. How many of you know about the BMS degree? I think Pritesha knows about BMS degree. It's an amazing degree, and BCom degree is like it's good for nothing in Bombay. And a lot of people come from Pan India and just join the BCom course, and then they come and they say, oh my goodness, I never knew that BCom का तो cut off इतना कम जाता है. They don't know about this. Yeah, आपको पता होना चाहिए. Rudra is saying going to Ahmedabad, number 1 college HL grade. Okay, great. That's so amazing. Great.